Hey there, guys. Good afternoon. Well, good morning, good evening in some places. But this is my 2003 Ford Taurus, man. 3.0 liter. I've been having a problem with the temperature gauge. Like every time I get on the freeway, it'll go all the way down to cold, right? And then when I get off, and then just driving around, residential areas and stuff like that, and you just basically get off the freeway, it'll go back to, regular operating temperature, like in the middle. So, I don't know what the hell was going on with that, but I had already changed the thermostat before this started happening when I put the new water pump in. See, I put the new water pump in right there. The new water pump looks so nice. But I just put that in with the new thermostat, and this started happening. So I figure I change out the coolant temperature switch or sensor, which is this guy right here. That guy right there. I don't know where it is on your vehicle, but on mine, it's right near the thermostat housing. And should be simple, man. It just I don't know what size that is. It has probably a 19, but I'm gonna use this crescent wrench, so I'm guessing it's a 19. It should be, but so yeah, you just go ahead and disconnect this bad boy right here, and then just start loosening. I'll get back to you guys in a minute when I get it off. All right, so I'm back. So I tried to use that crescent wrench earlier to take this off, but there was just no room for me, you know what I mean, to wiggle this thing out with that crescent wrench. So I had to go to O'Reilly's and pick some sockets up. I chose to go with the socket instead of a wrench. You can get a 19mm wrench if you'd like, but I ended up just going with the socket. I don't know why. I feel like it's easier. Because with the wrench, you'll be here like this, having to take it off, put it back on, take it, you know what I mean? And for socket, I'll just, and I got this here, this little itty bitty thing, 3/8 drive, you could use a 19mm socket or a 3/4 socket. I got the 3/4 socket. And I'm gonna just put that on there. Now, when you're putting this on there, be careful, cause be careful when you're putting it on there, cause the plastic part. Okay, I might have to switch. Fucking, you know what the hell I'm talking about. Just a sec, I'll get right back to you guys. Hold on. Alright, so I'm done, right, guys? But that's the new one in there. I just put the new one in there. But man, let me tell you, when getting the old one off, right? I don't know if it was because the car was still hot, but man, when I got it loose, this shit just exploded with coolant all over, man. Like, it literally just, you know what I mean? And it got all over the engine block. I had to just wipe it down and stuff. You can see it's still like wet everywhere. Like, man, that shit just exploded. It was hot as hell too, man. So be careful, guys. My coolant level went down. Yeah, be careful, man, when you're taking this thing off. I don't know if it was because the car was hot. I'm not sure why it did that, but if any of you guys know why it did that, just let me know in the comments, man. But so yeah, I got the new one in, man. I'm done. I just went ahead and loosened the old one, took it off, and threw the new one back on. It's simple, man. It's fairly simple. And I connected everything back, put the connector on. Now I'm gonna just take it for a spin and see how it drives. And I'll update you guys in the description how it drove. Yeah, man, be careful when you're doing this shit, man. That shit just literally exploded on me. And it's hot. Alright, guys, have a good one. Alright, so I just got off the freeway, and the whole ride it was operating at normal temperature, man. it didn't go all the way down to cold or anything like that. So I guess that was the problem, was the coolant temperature sensor. So if you're having the same issues, man, with, you know, with a false reading or what have you, man, like, you know, try looking at that, man, before, you know, changing your thermostat or whatever. Because I just put a new thermostat in. That's how I knew it wasn't the thermostat. But, you know, your case might be different. So, yeah. So, yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, man. I just got off the freeway, and it's good, man. I guess that was the problem. All right, you guys go ahead and like, comment. You know, if you don't mind subscribing, I would appreciate it. You guys have a good one.